My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be explaining the important questions from the MBA 4th semester subject Performance Management as prescribed by Osmania University and other universities in Telangana. We'll go through a quick revision of the most important short and long questions, one by one, in a simple and easy to understand manner. So let's begin with Unit 4. The first important short question from Unit 4 is Competency Gap. A competency gap means the difference between the skills an employee has and the skills needed to do a job effectively. It shows what is missing and what needs to be improved. Example. Suppose a company wants a sales executive to be good at digital marketing. But the current employee only knows traditional marketing. The gap between what is needed, digital skills, and what the employee has is the competency gap. This gap can happen due to changes in technology, lack of training, changing job roles. To solve it, companies conduct competency assessments and provide training, mentoring, or hire new skilled people. Why is it important? Helps improve performance. Guides training and development. Ensures the right person is in the right job. Easy tip to remember. Gap is equal to what you have versus what you need. Understanding competency gaps helps both employees and organizations grow and succeed in a competitive world. Next important short question is 2. Balanced Scorecard Framework. The Balanced Scorecard (BSC) is a tool used by companies to measure performance not just by money, profits, but through 4 important areas. 1. Financial, are we making money? 2. Customer, are customers happy? 3. Internal process, are we working efficiently? 4. Learning and growth, are employees learning and improving? Example. A hospital using BSC checks profits and cost, financial. Patient satisfaction, customer. Speed of service, internal process. Staff training, learning and growth. This way, they improve all areas together, not just income. Why is it useful? Gives a complete view of performance. Helps in setting smart goals. Connects daily work with long-term success. Easy tip to remember. Balance is equal to money plus customers plus work plus people. The balanced scorecard makes sure a company performs well in every area, not just financially. It builds long-term success with balance. Next important short question is 3. Cafeteria Benefits Plan and Callback Pay. A cafeteria benefits plan allows employees to choose their own benefits from a list, just like picking items in a cafeteria. Instead of giving the same benefits to everyone, the company gives flexible options. Example. An employee may choose health insurance plus transport allowance, while another may pick meal coupons plus extra vacation days. This makes employees happier and more satisfied. Callback pay is the extra money paid to employees who are called back to work after their shift is over or on a holiday. Example. If a technician finishes his shift at 6 p.m. but is called back at 9 p.m. to fix an urgent problem, the company pays him callback pay as a reward for his extra effort. Why are these useful? Cafeteria plans improve employee choice and motivation. Callback pay shows respect for employees' time. Easy tip. Choice is equal to cafeteria plan, extra work is equal to callback pay. Next important short question is 4. Competency Causal Flow Model. The competency causal flow model explains how a person's inner qualities, like thinking and values, affect their skills, behavior, and performance at work. It shows the root cause of good or poor performance. The model has 5 levels, from deep inside to outer performance. 1. Motives: what drives a person, example, achievement, recognition. 2. Traits: personality features, example, confidence, patience. 3. Self-concept: how a person sees themselves. 4. Knowledge: what they know. 5. Skills: what they can do. Example: a team leader with strong motives, passion to lead, and traits, confidence, will likely develop good skills, communication, planning, and perform better. Why is it important? It helps HR and managers understand why someone performs well or not. Instead of just giving training, they can work on deeper issues like attitude or motivation. Easy tip to remember: inside mindset, outside performance. This model is helpful for competency development and assessment. Next important short question is 5. Competency assessment. Competency assessment means checking whether an employee has the right skills, knowledge, and attitude to do a particular job effectively. It helps to find strengths and areas of improvement. Companies use different tools like tests, interviews, observations, feedback from managers or peers. Example: a company wants to promote someone to a team leader role. They conduct a competency assessment to see if the employee has leadership, communication, and decision-making skills. If the assessment shows a skill gap, the company can provide training or coaching. Why is it important? Helps select the right person for the right job. Guides training and development. Improves overall performance. Builds employee confidence. Easy tip to remember: assess, address, achieve. In simple words, competency assessment helps both the company and the employee grow by matching skills to job needs. It's a smart way to build a strong team. Next, Unit 4. Long questions. First important long question is 1. Mercer's Human Capital Wheel. Mercer's Human Capital Wheel is a model that helps organizations understand how to manage and develop their human capital, i.e., their employees. It shows that employees are not just workers, they are valuable assets who help in achieving business goals. The Human Capital Wheel focuses on 6 key areas. 1. People. Refers to the talent and skills of employees. Example: hiring the right people with the right qualifications and experience. 2. Work. Focuses on the type of work, job roles, and how it's organized. Example: creating clear job descriptions and assigning work properly. 3. Culture. Culture means the values, behavior, and work environment in an organization. Example: a positive and respectful culture increases employee satisfaction. 4. Structure. This includes the organizational hierarchy and reporting lines. Example: a well-structured team helps in faster decision-making. 5. Motivation and rewards. Refers to how employees are motivated and recognized. Example: bonuses, promotions, and appreciation for good performance. 6. Learning and development. Focuses on training, upskilling, and career growth of employees. Example: providing courses and workshops to improve skills. Why is this model important? It gives a complete view of how people contribute to business success. Helps HR and managers plan better recruitment, training, rewards, and policies. Ensures alignment between employee growth and company goals. Real-life example. A retail company uses Mercer's model to review its people management. They hire better sales staff, people. Restructure job roles, work. Offer sales incentives, motivation. Train staff on customer service, learning. As a result, both employee performance and customer satisfaction improve. Easy tip to remember. Mercer's wheel is equal to people plus work plus culture plus structure plus motivation plus learning. It's a full 360 degrees approach to managing people as valuable business assets. Next important long question is 2 competency pay plans. Competency pay plans are salary or reward systems where employees are paid based on the skills, knowledge, and abilities, competencies they have, not just based on their job title or seniority. In simple terms, the more you learn and improve, the more you earn. Types of competency-based pay. 1. Skill-based pay. Employees are paid based on the number or level of skills they have. Example, a technician who knows basic repair earns 25,000 rupees, but after learning advanced repair, earns 30,000 rupees. 2. Knowledge-based pay. Focuses on what an employee knows, especially useful in research or IT. Example, a software engineer with expertise in AI earns more than one with just basic programming knowledge. 3. Behavior-based pay. Rewards based on soft skills like teamwork, leadership, or communication. Example, a team leader who handles conflicts well may receive a bonus or higher salary. Why are competency pay plans useful? Motivates employees to learn new skills. Improves performance and productivity. Helps organizations build a skilled workforce. Encourages a learning culture within the company. Supports career development and retention. Example case. In a manufacturing company, workers are paid more when they learn how to operate more machines. A worker trained in only one machine earns 20,000 rupees, while one who handles 3 machines earns 28,000 rupees. This motivates others to upskill too. Challenges. It can be difficult to measure competencies fairly. Regular assessment and training are needed. If not managed properly, it may lead to confusion or bias. Easy tip to remember. Learn more is equal to earn more. That's the heart of competency pay plans. These plans not only benefit employees by rewarding their growth, but also help companies build a future-ready, skilled team. Next important long question is 3. CIPD Human Capital Framework. The CIPD Human Capital Framework was developed by the Chartered Institute of Personnel and Development, CIPD. It helps organizations understand how to measure and manage their human capital, that means their people, skills, knowledge, and experience, just like they manage money or machines. In simple words, this framework helps companies see how people create value and how to improve performance through better HR practices. Key elements of the CIPD framework. 1. Human capital. Refers to the knowledge, skills, abilities, and attitudes of employees. Example, a company with skilled software developers has strong human capital. 2. Organizational capital. Includes the values, culture, systems, and processes that support people. Example, a company with good teamwork culture and smart systems will perform better. 3. Social capital. Focuses on relationships, trust, and collaboration between employees. Example, a friendly workplace where people share ideas easily has high social capital. The framework encourages companies to measure HR outcomes, example, employee turnover, training hours. Link HR practices with business success. Make HR decisions using data and evidence. Focus on long-term development, not just short-term results. Example. Imagine a hospital using the CIPD framework. They train nurses regularly, human capital. Use patient feedback and digital systems, organizational capital. Promote teamwork among doctors and nurses, social capital. As a result, patient satisfaction and staff performance both improve. Benefits of the CIPD framework. Helps in strategic HR planning. Connects people practices with business goals. Builds a strong and productive workforce. Promotes a culture of learning and collaboration. Easy tip to remember. People plus culture plus trust is equal to business growth. That's the heart of the CIPD human capital framework. It reminds us that people are not a cost. They are an asset, and smart HR practices can bring long-term success. Next important long question is 4. Balanced Scorecard Framework. The Balanced Scorecard, BSC, is a popular tool used in performance management to measure how well a company is performing, not just financially, but in all key areas of business. It was developed by Robert Kaplan and David Norton. In simple words, the balanced scorecard helps a company balance between short-term results and long-term growth by looking at 4 key perspectives. 1. Financial perspective. This checks if the company is making enough profit and using money wisely. Example, revenue growth, profit margins, return on investment, ROI. 2. Customer perspective. It focuses on customer satisfaction, loyalty, and service quality. Example, customer feedback scores, number of repeat customers. 3. Internal process perspective. This area looks at how well the company is running its operations. Example, speed of product delivery, number of defects or errors. 4. Learning and growth perspective. This focuses on employee skills, training, and innovation. Example, number of training sessions, employee satisfaction, new ideas implemented. Example, a mobile company uses the balanced scorecard to improve its performance. Financial, increase profits by 10%. Customer, improve support service rating to 90%. Internal process, reduce delivery time from 3 days to 1 day. Learning and growth, train all employees in digital tools. This way, the company works on all areas that affect performance, not just profits. Why is the balanced scorecard important? Gives a complete view of company performance. Helps in strategic planning and decision making. Keeps everyone in the company aligned with goals. Encourages continuous improvement. Easy tip to remember. BSC is equal to money plus customers plus work plus learning. Like 4 wheels of a car, all must move together for smooth performance. The balanced scorecard helps companies achieve success by balancing different goals, making it one of the most useful tools in performance management. Next important long question is 5. Human Asset Worth Estimator and Accession Rate. What is Human Asset Worth Estimator? The Human Asset Worth Estimator is a method used by organizations to calculate the financial value of their employees, just like they calculate the value of machines or buildings. It helps to understand how much an employee contributes to the company's profits or growth. In simple words, it is a way to estimate how valuable an employee is in money terms. Companies consider things like employees' experience, skills and performance, potential for growth, Cost to hire and train a replacement. This helps managers make better decisions about salary, training, promotions, and hiring. Example. Suppose an experienced sales manager brings 10 lakhs rupees in profit every year. If the company wants to replace him, it may take 6 months and 2 lakhs rupees in training for a new person to perform at the same level. So, his human asset worth is high and must be retained. What is accession rate? The accession rate means the rate at which new employees are joining the company in a given period. It is expressed as a percentage of total employees. Formula. Accession rate is equal to number of new joinees total employees times 100. Example. If a company has 200 employees and 20 new people joined this year, accession rate is equal to 20 by 200 times 100 is equal to 10%. Why are these two concepts important? Human asset worth estimator helps identify the most valuable employees. It supports HR decisions like retention, rewards, and replacement planning. Accession rate shows how fast the company is hiring new people, which affects workforce planning and training needs. Easy tip to remember. Human asset is equal to value of the employee. Accession rate is equal to speed of new hiring. Together, they help companies manage talent smartly and plan for a strong, skilled workforce in the long run.